This guide will introduce 3 methods to help you easily download iCloud photos to your PC. Part 1. How to download photos from iCloud to PC using iCloud for Windows. Step 1. Open your browser on your PC and visit the Apple website. Then, download and install iCloud for Windows on your PC. Step 2. Launch iCloud for Windows and sign in with your Apple ID. In the main interface, check the Photos option, then click the Options button. Step 3. Make sure iCloud Photo Library and download new photos and videos to my PC are enabled, then click Done. Step 4. Click Apply and wait for iCloud Photos to sync to your PC. Step 5. Open File Explorer and locate the iCloud Photos folder in the left navigation pane. Enter the Downloads folder, where your iCloud photos will automatically sync. If iCloud Photos won't download to PC automatically, right-click the iCloud Photos folder and select Always Keep on this device to manually download the photos. Part 2. How to download photos from iCloud to PC. Windows 10 11s from iCloud website. If you only need to occasionally download a few photos, you can download them directly from the iCloud website. This method doesn't require any software installation, and you can access and download the photos directly from your browser. Step 1. Open your browser on your PC and go to iCloud.com. Sign into your iCloud account using your Apple ID. Step 2. On the iCloud homepage, click Photos to enter the iCloud photo library. Step 3. Browse and select the photos you want to download. For a single photo, click the photo, then click the Download button cloud with an arrow icon. Step 4. Click the Download button, and the photos will be downloaded as a zip file to your PC. Part 3. How to download iCloud photos to PC with Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery. Step 1. Launch the software on the PC. After installing it, then, enter the right Apple ID and password on the screen to sign into your iCloud account. Note: if you have enabled two-factor authentication on your iOS device, enter the verification code when asked and tap Verify to proceed. Step 2. Click Photos and hit Next. The program will start scanning the data and list all photos in your iCloud backup. Step 3. Select the pictures to export to PC and hit the Recover to Computer button.